Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In today's video we will be discussing. So the point over here is that we have a source. Let's take this as source and we have a destination. So we have to reach from source to destination with various paths. The point here is that we have to find out the minimum possible capacity to reach a particular path. If that capacity is chosen, we won't choose it again. For example, let's say I want to reach from 1 to 7. So there are different paths that we are going to basically occupy, but we have to reach via different paths with minimum possible values also. So let's just explore some of the paths. So if I talk about path and minimum possible value, in this particular path, I am reaching from 1 to 7 via this path, 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 7. Now guys, if I reach from 1 to 2, 1 to 2 is 7, 2 to 5 is 5, 5 to 7 is 10, 7, 5 and 10. What is the minimum possible value that you can get? The minimum possible value from 7, 5 and 10 is 5. So it means I will freeze this particular path and 5 is chosen. 5 is deducted from 5, that becomes 0. So we have chosen this. 7, when 5 is deducted from it, we are left with 2, and 10, when 5 is deducted from it, we are left with 5. So 5 is deducted with 5, it becomes 0. So minimum possible value is 5, right? We have to explore till we get all the particular paths. If we are unable to, because we cannot use from 2 to 5 now, so we have to take maximum possible paths altogether. Let's say I can reach from this source to this destination from this path also, 1, 3, 6, 7. So I can reach from that 10, 7 and 4. What is the minimum possible value? The minimum possible value is 4. We will choose a 4. So 4 is chosen, 4 is deducted from it. I cannot choose this particular path either. So I have chosen 4 over here, right? 4 when deducted from 7, it becomes 3, and 4 when deducted from 10 becomes 6. So we have chosen this particular path. So we have the next possible path that we can explore. I cannot explore a path from 6 to 7 and 2 to 5. This I cannot explore, but let's see how many I can explore. I can go from 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5 and 5 to 7. This is one path. Or I can go from 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 and 5 to 7. This I can also go. Let's explore this path, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5 and 5 to 7. Okay, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5 and 5 to 7. This path we can explore. This is minimum is 2, 2 to 4. This is 3. This is 2. This is okay. This is 3. Okay, 1 to 2 is 2. 2 to 3 is 2 to 4. I have to explore. This is 2. This is 2 to 4 is 3. 4 to 5 is also 3, and this is 7. This is 5. So minimum possible value is definitely 2. So 2 is deducted from it. It becomes 0. So this is 2. 2 is deducted from this. This is 1. 4 to 5. 2 is deducted from this is 1. And 2 is deducted from this, it becomes 3. So is there any other path? I cannot go from this. So I can explore from 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 7. It means 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 7. This path I can also explore. 1 to 3 is 6, 3 to 4 is 2, 4 to 5 is 1 and 5 to 7 is 7. So the minimum possible value is 1 obviously. So that is over here. So I can put it as 0, I can put it as 1, I can put it as 2, and I can put it as 5, So there is no other path that I can explore. Is there any other path I can explore? Obviously this is cancelled, this is cancelled. I cannot go from any other point. So what is the maximum flow? The maximum flow is the number of values that you have calculated. 5 plus 4 9 plus 2 11 and plus 1 is 12. So the maximum flow that can be done is the maximum number of paths we have got. The answer is it's 12. This is known as maximum flow problem. So if you have any kind of doubt, kindly post it in comment section. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.